Yes! We're ready to proceed with the experiment. Okay, assistant. Please hand me those glasses. I've got to be careful not to spill any. Yes! The experiment was a success! Now it's time for the taste test! Whoa! What's happening? Exciting! Let's open them together! Wow! Everything looks delicious! Wait. How come I just got plain ice cream? Dunno. But I got these cool globes. Fine. I guess I'll just eat my ice cream. At least it smells okay. Ugh, I can't do it! I can't eat the ice cream! Look. I have a solution. The pink sunglasses should help. Yes! The ice cream is pink now! It looks really good. I can definitely eat it now that it's pink. Time to open my globes! It's so squishy! It's delicious too! Wait. Something strange is happening! Ow! Ooh, I got huge! Wow! I can see everything from up here! Huh. She just left, I guess. Incredible! I'm big enough to stand on the whole earth! Yay! Time for the next one! Ooh, I've got something exciting this time. I've got… nothing. I wish I had what you have! Oh, don't cry. It'll be okay. Huh. I've got 2 of them. And there's 2 of us. There's gotta be a solution here. Maybe if I just carry the 1? Wait! If I can just solve for x. Better check the textbook. Well, perhaps if she calculates the variable… It's just not fair! Hey! I have 2! Which means you can have 1! But I'm blue, and that food is pink. I'm sorry. I really can't take that. Look! I put it on your plate. Now it's not empty. Whoa! Look! It's changing color! Amazing! Now it's blue! Cool! And mine's still pink! Cheers! Time to eat our snacks! It tastes so good! Wait a second! Something's happening again! I'm changing color now! Wow! Me too! I'll go first this time. Ooh, look! It's pretty! It's a whole roll of candy. Time to take a bite. I'll just let it unroll all the way. Oh wow. It's really long, huh? Might as well eat this other end. It just keeps going! Hey! What the heck? That's close enough. Sorry. It just looked really good. So tasty. Ooh, candy lipstick! It smells fruity. Wow, hey! This tastes so good! It definitely smells good. Hey! I have an idea. Let me put it on you. Oh sure, go ahead. She's not gonna know what hit her. A little food coloring goes a long way. Oops. Better hide the evidence. Okay, here I go. Eee! It's totally working! I think I can do even better. Just need some more food coloring. I'll just put red around her lips. And then blue around that. She looks ridiculous. Hey, I'm done. Hey, wake up! Wow, that was a nice nap I had. Wait until you see your new look. Huh? What is this? Because I absolutely love it! You're such a good friend! Thanks so much! Oh, it's so hot in here. No! My drink's all gone too! Well, we might as well get on with it. Oh my gosh! Yes! Cold drinks! Just what we need. It's so refreshing! I'm using a straw. It tastes so good. Just gotta get the last little bit. Now for the final drips. I'm still thirsty. Ooh, she's got almost her whole drink left. Good thing my straw's so long. Oh, she's moving. I better wait. Just a little further. Ooh, this is hard to do. Yes! I got it in the bottle! Time to start drinking. Hey! What the heck? Soda thief! Stop right this instant! That's enough! You drank almost all of it! Just a little closer. You're unbelievable! Okay, fine. Sheesh. Can I open mine first? Yay! Huh? What the heck is that? I don't know. Some sort of gator, I guess. Maybe you should take a closer look. It's kinda scary. Wow! It's sharp! Oh, there's a button here. I wonder what it does. Ah! My nose! It's got my nose! Just take your finger off the button. Look, it's fun! Chomp chomp chomp! Oh, you're right. It is fun. Chomp chomp! Who knew chomping could be so funny? Time to see what I've got. A bag of candy. I wonder if I can make that face. Ooh, that was hard. Well, time to open it. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, they look good. They're pretty, too. Ooh, look what she has. Come on, Chompy. Now's your time to shine. Go, Chompy! Get him! No way. These are mine. Hey, Chompy! You have candy inside! Smells good! Lollipops and suckers are my faves! Oh my gosh. What are you doing? Ha! You've got chipmunk cheeks! Look out! Here comes Chompy! Are you team blue or pink? Tell us in the comments! And don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more great videos like this one!